So what does new active listings in December look like, considering that expired and canceled listings were record high in December of 2024? You may be surprised with the record amount of expired and canceled listings that came off the market. We still saw significant increases year over year in active inventory, which was really surprising to me. So going back to expireds and canceled listings, year over year, St. Louis County, expired and canceled were up almost 30%. St. Charles County, almost 60%. St. Louis City, 100% increase in expired and canceled listings. Those are homes that went unsold. And in Jefferson County, 65% year over year increase. So with those large numbers, you would think that active inventory went down, considering that sales, they were up a little bit year over year, but no. Active inventory continued to grow year over year. St. Louis County up 12%. St. Charles County up 23%. St. Louis City still up almost 8% in active inventory with the doubling of expired and canceled listings. Even Jefferson County was up 16.5%. with that 65% year-over-year increase in expired and canceled listings. So it just goes to show we've been talking about inventory growing and growing over the last few months, and it absolutely continued to grow and overcompensated for all those homes that came off the market. When you look at months of inventory, which is if there were no new homes on the market, what it would take for the current homes to sell through. 6% balanced market, not a buyer's market, not a seller's market, very balanced. 3 months of inventory is considered a seller's market. And a severe seller's market is what we saw at the beginning of the year, less than 1 month's inventory. And we're definitely starting to see months of inventory climb. This December is higher than the last 5 Decembers. So in St. Louis County, you almost have 2 months of inventory. St. Charles County, almost 2.5 months. St. Louis City, almost 3 months inventory. Jefferson County, 2.5 months of inventory. So it's very consistent that active inventory is increasing, that months of inventory is increasing, even considering all the expireds and canceleds that came off the market. And as I mentioned earlier, sales, year-over-year unit sales in those markets were only up single digits. The interesting thing that continued, though, is prices continued to increase. For those homes that sold, remember, a lot went unsold. But those that sold, prices continued to increase. Year over year, St. Louis County, prices went up 16%. In St. Charles County, prices up 2%. St. Louis City, which again has not been performing well from an inventory and sales perspective, but prices went up about 14.5%. Jefferson County, prices were up about 3%. So again, what it tells you is great homes are selling. Those homes in a high demand area that are prepared for sale, marketed right, priced right, are selling. There are homes that are great homes, but just not priced right, and they're sitting. And they're even taking the price adjustments like we've talked about the last few months. And that price adjustment in many cases is not getting the deal done. And now what's happened is many of those sellers burnt out, took their home off the market either for the holidays or permanently. Remember, we never believe in taking homes off the market just for the holidays because of the fact that there's still serious buyers. Matter of fact, we saw a significant amount of homes sell during the holiday period, so there still is demand for those. And then are they really going to want to bring those homes in the spring market if they didn't sell now? Put them in the spring market and compete with all the fresh new inventory? It may be a little bit flawed. So if you're a seller that went unsold, I'm suggesting get your home back on the market and get it sold before the spring market. If you have any questions about buying, selling, investing, find out the value of your home, fill out the form below. I'm here for you.